All right, let's talk about this MagSwitch Universal Feather Board. As you can tell, it is very small and very portable. I do like this a lot. I'm going to show it to you in action. Let's go through some of the features and benefits here of this. So first off, as you can see, size-wise, it's just larger than the palm of my hand, making it very, very convenient if you need to use a feather board on a job site and make sure that it's portable. This one fits the bill. In terms of use, it's very simple. You need a magnetic surface. There are magnets. They're pretty darn powerful magnets. I'm sure you're no secret at this point to how magnets can be very powerful, even though they're pretty small. To use it, you just put it on top of a magnetic table, which most of these have magnet properties to them. Notice that it's not engaged. All I have to do is turn on, and now it is on there rock solid. I can't move it. What are the benefits of using a feather board? Well, if I'm going to use this on a workpiece and make a cut, and here's the knife, I can push my workpiece through, and the feathering effect actually allows the workpiece to slowly and smoothly glide through. But if there were going to be any kickback or any problems, it's going to catch the workpiece and not allow it to get kicked back, or at least slow it down, prevent it in some way. The great part about this, this small one is it is very small, but notice I can make cuts on either side of my, my blade. If I need to be on this side or this side. If you have a one-sided one, which I do have, it's not as versatile. Overall, it's a great feather board. I own many, many different versions of this, as you can tell, and I highly recommend it.